Aloha leaders, Foods here helping you find your foods folks, and today we'll be having Time Supermarket Hot Foods Oven Roasted Chicken here on Foods folks. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourishes our soul and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods folks worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We'll have timestamps. You can skip to the video, the parts you want to see. Here we go. Right. Or do I just go here? Hey, there we go. Just open it right there. Okay, oven roasted. That's how it looks like. Okay, nice and warm. Here we go. Nicely cooked. Yep. It's cooked well. I give this a 3.7 out of 5 stars. It does taste good. The seasoning is right on point. However, it's kind of dry. Yeah, you need water for this. It does look moist. It's dry, guys. Yeah. The skin was good though. That's the most of the moist part is the fatty skin. However, the actual meat is, oh wow. I'm gonna need some water. Oh yes, much better. Yeah, it's kind of dry. However, the taste of it, the flavor is good though. Nice smokiness to it. No pink, you know, it's cooked well. Yeah, good meat. I don't know about the price though for 2 of these pieces of chicken. Yeah, I don't know about the $4.85. It does taste good, just that some parts are dry. Flavor is there. Good peppery saltiness to it. Good seasoning. And it's not too salty either. You can taste that a little burntness from the oven roast. Yeah, it's good. Thank you folks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Mahalos.